Hey guys, what's up? It's Jay Herman. In this video, we are going to talk about how I learned to approach any girl at any time. I'm going to give you guys some tools and strategies to make sure that you do not run into a hot girl and avoid having a conversation with her. So, one of the things you want to keep in mind is that if you're anything like me, you're out and about, no matter where you are, at the gym, at the mall, or at a bar, really doesn't matter. If you come across a beautiful woman, you do want to talk to her, right? You want to kind of seize the moment, and if you talk yourself out of it, later on you're going to be very upset that you did that. You're going to kind of regret not taking your chance, and you'll probably be more upset than if you did talk to her and you didn't do very well in the conversation. So I'm going to teach you guys today how you can avoid that negative self-talk and how you can approach whatever girl you see, no matter where you see her. Okay? So first thing I want you guys to think about is girls are just people. They do not get offended when you go up and try to have a conversation with them. People don't bite. Okay? She's probably going to be happy that you are going to talk to her. Well, something you want to keep in mind is that your confidence is going to immediately control where the conversation goes. If you're stuttering, if you're nervous, if you get tongue-tied or you run out of things to say, it's going to make the situation awkward, and you want to kind of give off a positive vibration to where she can feed off that energy. Alright, so also think about, in this case, if you do get turned down and it's fairly quickly, you guys want to make sure that you do not let it affect your day. You just roll with the punches. You think to yourself that you're more happy that you actually had the courage to go up and talk to her versus seeing her kind of waiting a little bit and then she leaves wherever you are and you're not a freaking weirdo going to chase her down or trying to think about the next time you're going to see her. Instead, just do it in the moment. Okay, make yourself do it. You have no other option. You have to do it because you never know if that's going to be your next girlfriend, your next wife, or even just someone you hang out with. Regardless, you're going to need to think to yourself, okay, if I don't do this, what are my odds of seeing her again? So I've been in many situations where I'm out and I see a gorgeous girl. If she's a 9 or a 10, I start to get like a little bit worried. I'm like, man, I really want the conversation to go well. I know I have the ability to go up and talk to her, but what if I blow it? What if I tank? And she like laughs at me, or she sees me again and she's like, there's that fucking guy who's just not someone I want to talk to. He's, because I was off my game. So I'm gonna make you guys a natural at being always on your game, right? So it just comes off normally, right? Anyway, based on those circumstances, you first off think positive thoughts. Do not worry about getting rejected. All right, do not even focus on that, and just go over and have a normal conversation. Be cool. Think. What I do is I observe a little bit, real quick, just what's going on. Right? Are you at the gym? Is she on the elliptical? You know what I mean? Does she have like fucking Nikes on, like a cool set of shoes? Or is she on an elliptical that not a lot of people use, like it's a different one? I will go up and I will point out something. I will start off chest up, good eye contact, good energy in your voice. Hey, what's up? Hi, excuse me, my name's Jason. I just noticed you had on some pretty cool Nikes. Did you get those at a store around here, or what's up? Or, hey, excuse me, what's up? My name's Jason. I noticed you're on this kind of elliptical. Is this something that you normally like to use? Because I typically go on the Stairmaster, and I wanted to see what you think because I want to change it up. It's just a beginning of a conversation. It just starts it, because from there you can flow and hit other topics. But also what I want you guys to focus on is to not let the conversation drag on. Get to a point where you want to exchange information and then move on, right? Because there's not a lot of people, especially like in a gym location, like the example I'm using, that want to keep listening to you talk when they're trying to get a workout in. Or it doesn't even really matter if you see them out and about anywhere, unless it's like in a real social setting. you kind of want to keep the conversation brief, but you want to leave a high impact on them so that way they want to talk to you in the future. They get excited to see a text message from you. You know, you want to leave a lasting impression on their brain. All right, so I'm going to challenge you guys to step out of your comfort zone, because that's what it is. Going up to a hot, beautiful woman in any moment, even if you're off your game, you feel like, or you have not the best outfit on, you don't have a nice haircut, which does affect me sometimes. I notice if I'm like, oh, if I'm wearing my best outfit, if I'm looking fresh, clean, I'm gonna have a lot better game. But I don't want you guys to focus on that. I want you guys to know, no matter what, feel like you're good enough. Feel like no matter what, if she turns me down, I'm still okay. Who cares? I've leveled up one because I've attacked my fear, you know. And who knows? It's a coin flip. It's a 50-50 shot. If she likes you, then wonderful. Now you have somewhere to you have something to focus on that will improve your life. But if you see her and you pass up the opportunity because you're nervous, then that's not going to lead to nothing. And as well as, before I forget, she's never going to come up to you, guys. Trust me. You have to be the man. You have to capture that moment and that opportunity and make it yours. You create your own life, right? If she's going to be in part of your life, that's going to be up to you. She's never going to approach you. Very, very slim chance that a woman goes up to a man, you know? That might happen, but I don't want you guys to ever think that that's what's gonna happen in your life. I want you guys to just be confident men that just go up and feel comfortable talking about whatever, you know, as long as it pertains to the situation, right? Now your challenges that I'm giving you 3 challenges. You're gonna wake up 1 hour early to kind of set yourself off of your normal routine. And when I say you're gonna, I mean, if you want to actually imply these strategies and tools into your life, I don't want you guys to just watch this video and then think, yeah, he's kind of giving me good information, but you know, I'm just gonna continue on and watch other stuff. No. Complete these challenges, because it's gonna start you off on the right mentality. I kind of want to help you guys rewire your brains to have an alpha mentality, to where all of this stuff just comes supernatural to you guys, and you're not stepping out of your comfort zone. It's actually just going to be a comfort feeling for you that you're going to do no matter what. So wake up an hour earlier. I want you guys to take a cold shower instead of a hot shower. It's the shock value, you know, something your body's not used to. And then the other one, I want you guys to reach out to 2 to 3 friends that you do not normally talk to. I want you guys to get in the flow of having just a normal conversation. Message them, hey, what's up? How's life? How's everything going? Something like that. Just keep it very chill, but you're creating a system in your mind where it's, oh, conversation is just natural to me. Because regardless if you guys are introverted, extroverted, to be able to speak fluently and clearly to someone, you have to train your mind to be able to do that. You know, it's not something that will come out naturally in front of a beautiful woman if you're not practicing, if you're not training yourself. So then make sure you guys go ahead and hit subscribe. If you enjoyed this content, hit that like button, and go ahead and follow me on my Instagram @itsjherman. Wonderful conversation with you guys today. Much love. Peace out.